Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. The function has two critical numbers. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find first the derivative of this one. So first, the derivative of x to the power of 3. We have 3x squared. The next one, that is about 2x. The next one, that is about number 1. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. Now we simplify. Next, if we want to find critical numbers, we put this one equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. And now we have two solutions. That is about s equals to number 10 and s equals to number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.